Erlene? Okay, very good. You said that the most important is how we use it. Okay, that's good. Why? Yes, alright. It is important for example, this coin. We can use it for business. If we have coins, we can do a small business that can grow. Okay, very good. So now, okay, I will give you a list of businesses. So now class, all we need to do, the group 1 will pick at least 5 of street food business, and the group 2 will list also at least 5 store food business, and the group 3 also lists at least 5 home-based business, and the group 4 also lists at least 5 of store food business. Okay class, for your activity, so I will give you 5 minutes to do it, and after that you will paste your work in front. Okay, are you done class? Alright, that's good. Okay, you may report your task now. Okay, let us check if your answers are correct. So for group 1, so street food business. So let's check if what you list is belongs to street food business. Okay, so fishbowl and liquid, it's there. And the group 2 is home-based food business. And group 3, store-based business and mobile food business. Okay, since all the groups are participated, so I will give you some rewards. Okay. A biscuits for group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So now class, what do you think is our topic this afternoon? Alright, our topic this afternoon is all about class, what do you think is a small food business is? Okay, everybody please read. It refers any food-related enterprise, whether fixed or mobile, that operates a similar scale involving packaging and serving typically with fewer employees and lower revenue than larger business. Okay. As I said earlier, there are factors and components of small food business so that the business will become successful. Okay, so let's start with the factors of small food business. So first, capital and funding. Everybody please read. It is the amount of money needed for startup or operates an expansion of your business. So, class, why do we need to start a food business? Alright, very good. For example of that is the bakery. It needs money to buy flour, sugar, and oven. Next is location. What is location? Everybody, please read. It is an accessibility, foot traffic, and competition in area. So class, why is it important to put a food business in a good location? Alright, so that there will be buyers and you can have your business grow. So for example, if we sell a food like people want to, we can have more profit. Very good. Okay, for example, selling ice cream in summer. It is a good idea because many people will want it. Alright, so let's move on to the next factor. So, quality and consistency. Maintaining high quality and food service. Why should food always taste good and be the same? Yes, Lian? Alright, so that your customer will be back and buy again to your product or the food that you sell. Okay, for example, a burger shop that always make tasty burgers will have loyal customers. Oh, like for example, a store, fast food from Mahayag in Montreal. So even if their price is not the same with a low price here in other store, but they have a good taste too. So they have more customers then to buy. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Pricing strategy. Competitive and profitable pricing based on cost and market rates. So what happens if food prices are too high or too low? So if you're, yes, okay, stand up, Rex. Yes, that is good. That if the product or food is too high or too low, it will have a tendency that you will lose your customer or your capital for making your business. Okay, for example, a fruit shake price too high might lose customers, but a fair price make it affordable while profitable. Okay, that's good. So if you sell in food in high price, so there is a tendency that you will lose your customer, but if you sell it in a low price, cooking or used to prepare our products. So, what are kitchen equipment and tools used for? Very good. We use for it to cook and make our products or food. So, for example, if you want to make pancakes, you need a frying pan and spatula and of course a mixing bowl. Okay, how about stuffing? Cook, servers, and management for efficient operations. So, what does stuffing mean in business? Okay. Okay, when you say stuffing, did you see that in fast food that there are someone prepare the food and there are someone who serve the food. So that is how they manage their staff and that is called stuffing. So that there is a organization with the workers. Okay, so let's move on to the health and safety measures. So sanitation, hygiene, and food safety standards. So why are health and safety measures are important? Okay. Yes, Rex. All right. Health measures are important because it is how we serve our customer and make them safe and also hygiene. So as what you see outside in different fast food or any bakeries or yeah, they wear masks, they wear apron and they wear hairnet so that they will look clean and their food that they cook are safety and clean. Okay, delivery or take-out system. If applicable, a reliable system for off-site orders. So what is a delivery or take-out system? So example, in elementary grades. So when you order pizza, the restaurant brings it to your house. So that is called delivery. Did you experience that? Alright, that's good that you did experience that. So for example of that is when you see online selling like Judy Jean. Alright, small food business is important because it can help us to buy affordable price, and also it can help in our society to be developed. And can children help to make a small food business? Alright, thank you. Judy May, yes, children can help to make a food business or a small food business. Class, did you experience that you help your mother while cooking? Okay, that's good to hear that you experienced that way, and that is very fun. And also, small food business is important because the big business or the big businesses, if you make good profit and you have a good plan and you have financial management, and also you can apply those factors and components, your small food business will grow. And for example, if you have only one brand here in Lumina, so if your food business or your small food business will grow, you will have another branch in other city. Okay. So class, any clarification, questions about the topic? Alright, since none, I will give you an activity. So, okay, 3 points and you need to pass it next meeting. That's all.